To connect WinPlus-IP to a newsroom using shared directory, first check that you have a news license. The word newsroom will be displayed in the WinPlus title bar. To view the newsroom pane, click Window and Newsrooms. Click on the Add button to open the Add Newsroom window, and then use the pull-down arrow to select Shared Directory. There are 2 fields to be completed manually. In the Name field, type the friendly name you'd like to use. In the Directory field, you can click the 3 dots to browse to the location of the directory, or copy and paste the path into the field. In the Encoding field, use the pull-down to select which encoding you want. The default is UTF-8. If you need to change the encoding selection, you can do this at any time. When you have completed these fields, click Apply. The newsroom connection will be listed in the Newsrooms pane and the System tray. The status light will show orange while it connects. If the connection is successfully established, after a few moments, the status light will be green. To access the shared directory rundowns, click the Open Run Order from Newsroom button. You will see the available run orders. By default, they're shown as a list. You can also select to view them as a tree. Double-click the run orders, or select and click Add. There is also the option to delete shared directory run orders. You will see a warning that this action will permanently delete the run orders from the shared directory. If you want to reorder the run order, you can drag and drop them. Here, I move the 11 to above the 12.